This is the Ragnarok Fireplace door for zero clearance fireplaces, also known as prefab or factory-built fireplaces. This new customer favorite from our original line has a durable aluminum frame that will withstand high temperatures and prevent air loss through your chimney when it's not in use. The Ragnarok has trackless bifold doors, each with 2 panes of glass that open 180 degrees and fold in half, taking up minimal space. The glass in the doors is clear 1/4 inch tempered safety glass and is backed by a lifetime warranty. Always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish of the frame and shatter the tempered safety glass. This is a big no-no. This door does not come with any mesh curtains or other spark protection. However, if you do not currently have mesh curtains in your zero clearance fireplace and are looking to add that extra layer of safety, Fireplace Doors Online does offer spark protection separately on our website. The Ragnarok Zero Clearance Door can be customized to specifications up to 47 inches wide and 27 inches tall. The main frame is a 7/8 inch wide. The classic matte black anodized finish will match the decor style of any living space. The Ragnarok is an inside fit door only. Some assembly is required and all mounting hardware is included. See what everyone is raving about and outfit your zero clearance fireplace today with the beautiful Ragnarok Fireplace door, locked in at contractor pricing.